Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Butler. It's a pleasure to have you here. On this channel, we talk about healthy aging, prevention, and the small signals your body gives you as the years go by. Before we begin with today's topic, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you value clear, simple guidance to help protect your health, your independence, and your quality of life after 60. And after watching the video, if you'd like to explore further, you'll also find a link below with more information about a natural supplement that many older adults have been adding to their daily routines as part of supporting brain and body wellness. Now, let's talk about something important. As we age, the body begins to communicate differently. It doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers, and many of the early warning signs of health problems after 60 are subtle, easy to ignore, easy to dismiss as just getting older. But in my years working with older adults, I've seen that certain symptoms deserve attention, not fear, but awareness. Today, I want to share 7 common signs that may indicate your body is asking for support. These symptoms do not automatically mean something serious is happening, but they are signals, and listening early can make a meaningful difference over time. Let's begin with the first one: a noticeable decline in energy. Many people expect to feel a little more tired as they age. That's natural. But there's a difference between normal aging and a steady loss of energy that affects your daily life. If you find yourself feeling drained even after a full night's sleep, if simple tasks feel heavier than they used to, if motivation seems lower without a clear reason, your body may be signaling that something needs attention. This could be related to sleep quality, nutrition, circulation, or simply the body needing more support than before. The second symptom is changes in memory or focus. Occasional forgetfulness is normal. Everyone misplaces keys or forgets a name from time to time. But if you notice that your concentration feels weaker, or you struggle to recall things that used to come easily, it may be a sign your brain is under more strain. The brain, just like the body, needs proper rest, circulation, and nourishment to function at its best. The third symptom is weakness in the legs. This is something many people over 60 quietly experience. If your legs feel heavier, less steady, or more tired than they used to, this may be connected to muscle loss, reduced activity, or changes in circulation. Sometimes people begin avoiding walks or stairs without realizing why. They just feel less stable. This is not something to ignore. Movement is essential for maintaining independence, and the earlier weakness is noticed, the more it can be supported. The fourth symptom is poor sleep. Sleep changes with age, but constant waking, light sleep, or feeling tired in the morning may be signs that the body is not getting the deep rest it needs. Sleep is when the brain resets. It supports memory, mood, and mental clarity. When sleep becomes fragmented night after night, it can quietly affect how you feel during the day. The fifth symptom is numbness or tingling in the hands or feet. Many people describe this as a mild burning, tingling, or pins and needles feeling. Sometimes it happens at night, sometimes while sitting, sometimes without any clear reason. These sensations can be linked to nerve sensitivity, circulation changes, or nutritional gaps. While they may seem small at first, they are signals worth paying attention to. The sixth symptom is changes in mood. Feeling more anxious, more withdrawn, or less interested in things you once enjoyed is not just emotional. It can be physical too. The brain and body are deeply connected. When the body is under stress, when sleep is poor, or when energy is low, mood can change. And many people don't realize how strongly physical health supports emotional well-being. And finally, the seventh symptom is slower recovery. If you notice that it takes longer to recover from small efforts, from walking, from daily tasks, or even from a simple cold, it may be a sign the body needs more support than before. After 60, the body still has incredible strength, but it benefits from consistency, movement, good sleep, and proper nourishment. Now, I want to be very clear about something. These symptoms are not meant to create fear. They are meant to create awareness. The body is always communicating. And when we listen early, we can often make small adjustments that help us feel stronger, steadier, and more mentally clear over time. In my experience, many older adults don't need dramatic changes. They need gentle support, better sleep habits, daily movement, balanced nutrition, and routines that help the brain and body stay active. Over the years, I've seen that when people begin paying attention to these small signals, they often feel more in control of their health. They feel more confident, more steady, more independent. And that matters deeply. Because aging is not just about adding years, it's about maintaining quality of life. It's about staying present, staying sharp, staying connected to the things and people you love. If you recognized one or more of these signs in yourself, it doesn't mean something is wrong. It simply means your body may be asking for attention and care. And that's a positive thing. Awareness is the first step toward feeling better. Before we close, I'd like to gently remind you that if you enjoy learning about healthy aging and want to continue receiving guidance like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps more people find this information. And if you'd like to explore additional ways to support your brain and body naturally, you can find more information in the link below about the supplement mentioned earlier that many older adults have been including as part of their wellness routines. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Take care of your body. Listen to the small signals, and I'll see you in the next video.
Join us on Healthcare Seniors.
Amen. Be part of our community and watch the next video.